G'day lawnies, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on! So October, exciting time of the year. We did our reno back in mid-September, if you're following my program. Had a couple of weeks of growth, which is great. We used Launch for repair and Root Builder for repair. That first week after the renovation, I did a daily watering, 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the early afternoon. I backed that down in week 2, which was 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the afternoon, every second day. And now I'm going to back down my watering a bit more now because I've got that recovery. I'm going to need some assistance to keep that water in the root zone, and that's where Moist comes into it. Moist is a professional soil wetter. It works 3 ways. The first way is that it'll get past that waxy surface that can happen on the top of the soil, which is the first sort of thing that happens with hydrophobic soil. Hydrophobic means not accepting water, and you'll know if you have hydrophobic soil because you'll put your water down and it will just run off straight away. It will just pull. Once we get past the top of the soil profile, we want that water at the root zone, and that's what Moist does. That's the second action. It'll actually lock the water in the root zone, keeping it there for the roots to use the water. And a great effect of that is that it lessens the effect of evaporation. The third way is it evenly distributes throughout the lawn area. Professional soil where it's used by golf courses and professional turf managers all across Australia. In my program, I'm now reducing the watering. So I'm going to be doing 3 deep early morning waterings per the week for the first week, and then I'll back that down to 2 for next week. And it's actually getting warmer and I'm using less water, so that's why the soil wetter is very important. Soil wetters are the most underused product in Australia. We're the driest country in the world. We need to save our water, and we need to make effective use of our water. We want it getting into the roots. There's no point watering and wasting water if it's not getting there, because if the water doesn't get to the root zone, the grass dies. We don't want that. If you're looking for the program, look at www.lawnpornonline.com and go to the programs and tips section. You will find my spring 2018 calendar, and you can use that as a calendar, a guide, and also to record your application. Now, I usually do 100 mils per 100 square meters, but I'm going to up that a little bit because I just want that extra protection. You can go all the way up to 300 mils, but I'm going to go 200 mils per 100 square meters. So I've got 160 square meters of lawn. So what's that? That's going to be 200 mils plus say 120 mils thereabouts. So I'm looking at about 320 mils to my 8 litres of water that I use for my 160 square meters of lawn. 360 is alright. So we're going to half fill our tank, which in this case using 8 litres of water, I want about 4 litres of water. Then we'll add our product.
You drive me crazy. You know what? You're amazing. You know what? I gotta have you. Yeah, I gotta have you. Go. You got the green light.
So after we get this down, we're going to water in straight away. So basically about a ½ inch of water, really get it into the profile, soil profile, down into the root zone. So for my sprinklers, about 30-40 minutes, I might do 40 minutes, and that'll really get it in there.
You know what? I'm so lucky.
Beautiful.